Little Girls Meeting with God. There once was a little girl who wanted to meet God. She knew it was a long trip to where God lived, so she packed her suitcase with chocolates and a 4-pack of breads and started her journey. When she had gone about 3 blocks, she met an old man. He was sitting in the park just staring at some pigeons. The girl sat down next to him and opened her bag. The girl was about to take a loaf of bread when she noticed that the old man looked hungry. So she offered him a bread. He gratefully accepted it and smiled at her. His smile was so pretty that the girl wanted to see it again. So she offered him a chocolate. Once again, he smiled at her. His smile was so pretty that the girl wanted to see it again. So she offered him a chocolate. Once again, he smiled at her. The girl was delighted. They sat there all afternoon eating and smiling, but they never said a word. As it grew dark, the girl realized how tired she was, and she got up to leave, but before she had gone more than a few steps, she turned around, ran back to the old man and gave him a hug. He gave her his biggest smile ever. When the girl opened the door to her own house a short later, her father was surprised by the look of joy on her face. He asked him, "What did you do today that make you so happy?" She replied, "I had lunch with the God." But before her father could respond, she added, "You know what? He got the most beautiful smile I have ever seen." Meanwhile, the old man, also radiant with joy, returned to his home. His daughter was stunned by the look of peace on his face, and she asked, "Father, what did you do today that make you so happy?" He replied, "I had lunch with God." But before her daughter could respond, he added, "You know, she is much younger than I expected." So, moral of the story is God is everywhere. We just need to share our happiness and make others smile to feel Him. Hope you like the video, and if you like it, please give it a like and subscribe the video. Thank you very much.